Good afternoon, Steady Trade Treats fans. Bryce Tilley back here with a bang energy once again. I only got 2 of these left after this. I don't know how we're going to make it through the rest of the week. I'm out of coffee. I'm out of pre-workout. I used all my caffeine that I had from December going into the beginning of January. And you know what? I need it now more than ever because the market is on fire still. But anyways, guys, today I want to sit here and talk about one of the new hottest trends I'm seeing in the penny stock market, one you need to be ready for. So this trend, essentially what I'm seeing and what I've been trading, and traders like Matt Monaco, I know he's killing it in this little niche, this little trend. And this was actually my favorite trend when I first got started working on consistency in the beginning, back in May and June, are these sub-dollar listed breakouts. These are NASDAQs, right? It doesn't really even matter what the company is. Of course, if they're in a hot sector like energy, EV, yada, 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 they're going to be a little bit hotter. But regardless, just these multi-day breakout levels, and these really beaten down sub-dollar listed stocks, and that's probably another reason they're so hot. I personally love bounce plays, right? Like daily trend bounce plays. Stocks that used to be like $4 a share, beaten down to $1 a share, looking like they're bound for a bounce. It's kind of the same story with these listed NASDAQs, right? I mean, I traded NAK yesterday. I don't even know what they did. I remember trading this over the summer at like $2 a share. And yesterday I took my first entry at 45 cents a share. Crazy beaten down, but there's attention to it, there's volume, and on the daily chart it's setting up this little breakout. And this is kind of what it looks like, right? This has been the trend that I've noticed personally, is it pops up, consolidates for a day or two, then breaks back out over that level. Very super nice and easy. And a lot of these gaps, a lot of these breakouts do happen during pre-market, which means that some of them might be swings if you want to take advantage of the whole thing. Or on a case like BIOL yesterday, I was talking to Matt Monaco, and he didn't even swing this one, right? He waited for that breakout to happen pre-market, and then he got in on the dips. It was one of his favorite ABCD setups throughout the intraday, and it just worked really well. Now, however you want to trade them is up to you. Whether or not you want to trade them is up to you. But the fact of the matter is this trend is working right now. These sub-dollar breakouts are working right now. Pay attention to them. Go through and look at some previous charts. If you don't follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter right now. My handle @SteadyTrade. I post my charts, and personally yesterday I actually came off of my biggest day ever, not to pat my own back, not to toot my own horn, but I locked in about $11,500. First invite to the 5-figure club. Anyways, the point of me saying all that though is because I do post my charts right on Twitter. And yesterday, a lot of those charts were these sub-dollar breakouts. NAKD, I swung overnight. NAK, I think I posted that chart on there as well, or at least my entries and exits. They're just so hot right now. Learn to take advantage of them while they're here. This is just one of those market trends where it's not even necessarily the sector. Hot sectors are good. If these sub-dollars are in the right sector, it's amazing. Even stocks that aren't in those sectors are working right now because it's this sub-dollar breakout trend. Take advantage of it, learn from it, and go through my Twitter or Matt's Twitter or any other trader you know that's trading these and look at their charts. See how they're trading them, see what they're looking at, and work on it yourself, guys. This is your Wednesday's edition of Steady Trade Treats, and I will be back to you on Friday with one of these 2 bangs, ready to get caffeinated, ready to get ready. I will talk to you then. Have a good rest of your week, and let's kill it.